Hi everyone, I'm GoldQueen Queency and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I created this silver glitter cut crease eyes and how I did my full makeup tutorial. So guys, without wasting any of your time, let's get started. I'll be making use of this Kiss Beauty Primer Water, okay, as my primer. It's the same thing as the Smashbox primer water. And so babes, after that I'm just going to spray the water all over my face and then making use of this small fan. Okay, I got it off Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. Okay, I made it a fit, in order to allow the primer I used, I sprayed on my face to dry. So babes, after that, okay, I'm just going to switch it off. And for my foundation, I'm making use of Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 338. I'm going to pour it at the back of my pen, okay, and then start to apply it on my face, okay. So guys, some of the products I made use of, okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to link them down in the description. Okay, I'm going to put a link to it in my Amazon link or in my Amazon shop so that you guys can check it out, babe. So I continued blending my foundation out, okay. Also, I'm going to show you guys the camera I use, okay, and then the backdrop I use as well. So guys, after that, I'm making use of this Pop Fail concealer. Okay, this is my first time trying it out. I have had this for some while and it seems like it's too lighter than my skin tone, but yes babe, I just want to try it out and see how it works, guys. Okay, so guys, to my surprise, it was much more lighter than my skin tone. It has like a white undertone to it. And so guys, yes, I tried blending it out, the trick is to make everything work for me. And so babes, I blended it out and yes guys, I was really shocked or amazed. I have to keep the makeup brush and then make use of beauty blender in order to blend out the excess product, okay, the excess concealer on my face. And so babes, after blending out the excess concealer on my face, I as well have to go back and take some of the foundation I use, okay, some of my foundation, okay, in order to blend it out because it was like very much lighter than what I expected, babe. So I took some of the foundation, okay, and then went ahead to blend it all over my face, okay, and then guys, it worked, okay. The trick is, okay, to make everything work. So guys, after that, I'm making use of this Veronillo's powder, okay, to set the whole of my face. And then for my combination or oily skin babes, make sure when you're doing makeup, do your eyes first, okay, always. So guys, I'll be making use of this Usher contour palette, okay, in order to contour my face. So babes, always do your eyes makeup first, okay, so that, okay, you understand what I mean, so that the face, okay, there won't be much oil on it, okay. And then for my blush, I'm making use of this MAC blush in the shade Angle. So guys, moving over to my brow, I'm going to try to link this brow down in the description. I have an Amazon link to it. So guys, you guys know the road to the brow. Draw the underneath of the brow first, draw the above, and then you're going to fill it in. This is like a Chinese eyebrow pencil, and then I just filled it in. Making use of a spoolie, I have to brush it up in order to make sure that is okay. I did like a perfect brow. So babes, after that, I'm making use of this Morph 35O palette. I'll make use of that color here in order to highlight my brow bone. And then for my eyes, I'm making use of this color as my transition color. I want ahead to apply it, okay, while blending it back and forth, okay, and I as well blended in my other eyes too. So guys, after that, I'm making use of this is like a more darker shade to the transition color I use, and I went ahead packing it in below the first color while blending it out too. After that, I'm going into this black color, okay, in order to darken up my outer corner. I just packed it there. Then after packing it there, making use of the second eyeshadow brush I used, and without any product in it, I just went back in order to blend it out. And I made use of this concealer in order to cut my crease. Okay. So guys, for my glitter, I'm making use of this glitter. Okay, I'll put the link in the description below. I just apply some of it to the back of my pen, and I make it like a flat concealer brush to apply it. And then I made use of this glitter. Okay, this is like a silver color glitter. I'm also going to put a link to it, babes. And then with the brush I used for my glitter glue, I have to make use of it to place the glitter to my lid. Okay, and I went in with some eyeliner gel in order to line my eyes for my lashes. So guys, for my lip liner, I made use of this Q-Best persistent lip liner. Okay, it comes in like 12 or 10. Okay, and it's so good. I'm also going to link it down below. It's very cheap. So guys, I'm making use of this Stila lip gloss. Okay, I'll go ahead to apply it on my layers. This is like a super silver half cut crease. So guys, I'll go over ahead to take that color there and then apply it to my lower lash line, and then the black color as well in order to smoke it out. So guys, after that, I'll go in with this color I use for my brow bone as my tear dot color, and then to highlight my face, I'm going to make use of this highlighter. It's a loose highlighter. I want to apply some mascara, making use of this OMG mascara. And then guys, here is the finished look on how I achieved this silver glitter half cut crease eyes. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.